Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. The philosophy of education is a branch of philosophy that examines the goals, content, methods, and implications of education. Different philosophers and educators have developed various philosophies of education that guide their pedagogical approaches. Let's start with idealism, a philosophical approach that highlights the importance of ideas and the mind. Idealists believe that the ultimate reality is found in the world of ideas rather than in the physical world. Idealist teachers often highlight the importance of critical thinking and the pursuit of knowledge for its own sake. Next up is Pragmatism, a philosophy that highlights practical experience and problem solving. This philosophy is often expressed through hands-on learning experiences, group projects, and an emphasis on critical thinking skills. Pragmatist teachers strive to create a dynamic learning environment that equips students with the tool they need to succeed in an ever-changing world. Moving on to the Existentialism, a philosophy that focuses on individual freedom and personal responsibility. Existentialist teachers encourage students to think critically about their values and beliefs and to take ownership of their education and personal growth. Now let's delve into Perennialism, a philosophy that emphasizes the importance of timeless ideas and universal truths. In the classroom, this philosophy may be expressed through a focus on classical literature, history, and philosophy. Perennialist teacher seeks to instill in their students a deep appreciation for the wisdom of past and a sense of continuity with the greater thinkers of history. Lastly, we have Progressivism, a philosophy that highlights the importance of social reform and experiential learning. Progressivists believe that education should be a tool for social change and the student learn best through hands-on experiences and real-world challenges. In the classroom, the philosophy may be expressed through project-based learning, community service, and a focus on creativity and innovation. Let's discuss how to develop your own philosophy. Developing your own philosophy of education involves reflecting on your beliefs, values, and goals as an educator. Begin by considering questions such as, what do I believe is the purpose of education? What values do I want to instill in my students? How do I believe students should be taught? Write down your thoughts and ideas and use them to craft your philosophy of education. Remember, your philosophy of education will evolve and change over time as you gain more experience and insight.
So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.